this one, I will be making this one today. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to the Crochet Circle. In today's video, I want to show you how I created this crocheted Christmas tree. Now, this is going to be a series of 3 tutorials. In the first one, I'm going to show you how to make the cone, the base. In the second one, I'm going to show you how to make these 3 branches. And then in the third one, I'm going to show you how to add the bulbs on the Christmas tree. And this is part 3. Okay, so now that the Christmas tree is all dried up, I have here some plastic fake pearls. Now you have 2 options to put the bulbs on the Christmas tree. One is that you sew them on individually. Now I did this in one of my previous videos on the previous Christmas tree that had a bit of different branches as well. But for this one I'm gonna take a shortcut. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue and I am gonna glue them on the Christmas tree. Now I will be using some white, and I think I'm also gonna be using some of these red ones just to color it up just a tiny bit. So I'm gonna now grab some of these beads, trying to, because these are all mixtures that I have from a long time ago, and you can see they are not the same and some are not really round, but I'm gonna have different sizes, and then it's just gonna be picking them up and gluing them on this Christmas tree. So yeah, the glue is done. I am a bit afraid, so I'm gonna just be using some yeah, I will be using this to kind of hopefully hold the bead and then put it on the Christmas tree. I hope it will work. So I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of glue and stick it on, and that's it. As I said, I could be sewing them on, but I'm gonna be gluing them on this time around. How? Well, I'm just gonna do a mix and match so you enjoy it in the peace and quiet, and I'm gonna be speeding it up just a tiny bit for you perhaps to enjoy me hopefully not getting burned. So yeah, picking a bit and just putting it on, and that's it. That's the whole process. As I mentioned, you could sew them on, but this time around I'm gonna be using some hot glue, or if you have any other glue that you think it might work, you can use that as well. So yeah, sit back and enjoy me hopefully not getting burned with the hot glue. Okay, and this is done now. So I have my Christmas tree. I glued on some fake pearls, beads, whatever you want to call them, to make them as bulbs, and the Christmas tree ornament is done. I hope you enjoyed the series. It was made from 3 parts. So first the cone, then the branches, and now in this really short one, just me struggling with some hot glue to put the beads on. I'm gonna say happy crafting until the next time, I guess. And I really hope you enjoyed it and that you will make perhaps one for yourself or as a gift for a friend. See you next time. Bye bye.